Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to discuss how you can earn online money easily. There are many ways to earn money online. One of the best the earning method is to earn money by survey websites. Yes, you can earn money by online survey websites. Let's just get started. I will show you best survey websites from you can start earning. Go into your any browser of your laptop or PC. You can do it from your Android mobile. I have already opened the website, so it will not take much time for your video. In our list, the first website is PAYOUT. Yes, and you can see that take service and points and get PayPal cash. You can withdraw money from this website by PayPal. It's very amazing website. You can redeem your points to Amazon, Walmart and PayPal cash. Anything you want. You just have to create an account and you will find there many services. By service you will get start earning points and you can redeem your points to cash. Sign up for 100% free. Earn points by completing short opinion surveys for easy offers and then redeem your points. You can see that members are growing in rewards given 2.5 million. There are some reviews. It's a very good website. In our list, the second website is Opinion Pioneer. It's a very great website. Get paid to share your opinion. Just share your opinions and you get start earning. Take service to shape future product and services and get paid for it. It is 100% free and you can start earning immediately. Just there are three steps: sign up and take service and get paid. You'll get reward for each survey you complete. You can withdraw your earning in cash via PayPal. It's very simple. Just click on the register and you'll get enter the email and your name, first name, all the details, and your account is completed. After that you can complete service and earn money. Let's go to the third one website in our list. It's My Voice, the Data Diggers. It's a website, survey website. You can earn good money from this website. Make money by completing online surveys. Free online panel, online survey from anywhere. Get reward. You can enjoy real award after each successful complete survey. Once you reach $10, you can easily withdraw. Just you have to complete $10 earning by surveys, and after complete of $10, you can withdraw the money from this website. All are these partners to withdraw the money: Wise, Amazon.com, Zoom, Metro, Redcoats. Let's start. Just come here, register your account and start to earn money. On our fourth one website, it's Traba. It's a very great and useful website to earn money. Join, answer the survey, and make money. You can up to $5 just by completing one survey. You can here check the deals, surveys, and earn between 50 cents to $5.50 for each online survey. When you reach $12 in your panel account, you can make a payout to your PayPal account. Payout limit is $10. Yeah, you can withdraw your money by PayPal and the gift card, Amazon voucher, or G-code gift card. And the second another website is Y-Sense. It's a highly paying survey website. You can all see the payment methods. And they also have Android application and iOS application. You can download application or you can use it online. Share version to your friends and watch your earning grow. You'll get 30% of your referrals made. Just invite your friend, he will start earning and you'll get 30% commission of the earning of your friend. It's a very useful website. You can see here the cash out methods. You can cash out by Payoneer, by Amazon, by PayPal, by Skrill, by Steam, by Italy, Reward Link, by Zalando, and with other e-gifts. After that, we have a website in the name Price Rebel. So the Price Rebel is another highly paying online survey website. It's very easy to use. Just like the branded surveys, it's very common and useful. So the branded surveys is our last one website. Click the part, they pay you by they pay PayPal, Amazon.com. It's a very good website. You can earn a lot of money by all these websites. Just visit the websites, create the account, and start earning your money from now. Hope you all are like the video and you have learned something from this video. Thanks for watching.